Welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today I am sharing a soft, flaky and delicious dahi paratha that melts in your mouth with every bite. In a bowl, take half cup curd. Add 1 tablespoon sugar. Mix well until smooth. Curd has been used in Indian flatbreads for centuries to make them softer. Add 1 tablespoon oil and half teaspoon salt. Then mix again. Parathas taste different in every region of the subcontinent. Add 1 and 1/4 cup flour and combine into a soft dough. Dahi helps make dough extra elastic without kneading too long. Rub some oil on top and rest it for 10 minutes. Always raise the dough for softness. Now take some dough and roll it flat. Place a glass in the center and cut as shown. Rub a little oil, sprinkle some flour. Sprinkling flour between folds creates flaky layers. And fold it as shown to create beautiful layers. Layered parathas were first inspired by ancient Middle Eastern breads. Roll again gently. Now fry on medium heat. Cook on medium heat to avoid burning the outer layer. Add a little oil, cooking both sides until golden brown and perfectly soft. Curd supports good digestion. Flour provides long-lasting energy. This parathas needs less oil compared to stuffed version. Curd helps keep the parathas soft even after cooling. Your soft layered dahi paratha is ready, perfect for breakfast, tiffin or evening snack. Which paratha should I make next? Onion, aloo or multi-layered tawa? Like the video, follow the page and subscribe for more easy homemade recipes.